So it's April 23rd. Today, Nathan and I got to do an amazing hike in the Redwoods of Northern California, close to Crescent City. So this hike is the Lieffer Loop Trail in Northern California. It's just a small loop trail with amazingly big and tall redwood trees. It's in the Jedidiah Smith Redwood State Park. The trees are super tall and the rainforest below is just breathtaking. So while we were doing this hike, we stopped and took a few minutes to try to learn some fun facts about the redwoods. So I'm going to share some of that with you. Redwood trees are the tallest living beings on Earth, with some coast redwoods reaching over 380 feet high. And they've been living for over 2,000 years. They're primarily located along California coast, with some of them on the Oregon coast. They're incredibly resilient, featuring thick, fire-resistant bark and roots that intertwine for stability. These are the tallest trees on Earth, with some coast redwoods reaching over 380 feet, and many regularly exceeding 300 feet. They have an ancient lineage dating back 160 million years ago to the Jurassic period, often referred to as living fossils. They have fire resistance. Their bark can be up to 12 inches thick, which combined with high tannin levels protects them from rot and fire. They come from tiny seeds. Despite their towering size, redwoods grow from seeds smaller than a tomato seed. They're dependent upon fog. Redwoods get 40% of their water from coastal fog, capturing it on their needles to drip down to their roots. And they have shallow roots. Despite their massive height, their roots are typically only 6 to 12 feet deep, but spread over 80 feet wide, interlocking with other trees for stability. And they are climate helpers. They are exceptional at fighting climate change, capturing more carbon dioxide than any other forest type on Earth. And they are a habitat within a habitat. Their canopies are so large that they can support an entire ecosystem of creatures, including insects, salamanders, and small mammals. This was an awesome hike. We really enjoyed our time hiking through the redwood forest. There seemed to be a sense of spirituality, or like sanctuary. The calmness and beautiful sense of nature is really felt while walking around these just amazing trees. Still alive.